how does the program address the needs of different demographic groups? Well, Expedition Money supports different populations through content relevant to different life stages and situations, resources for various income levels, and specific strategies for families with specific or unique needs. The reality is that the climb process doesn't matter where you are, how old you are, or how much money you make. You can come in as someone at the beginning of your career or at the end of your career or beyond and still find relevant information that's going to apply to you. And that's the beauty of this particular program, that whether you're poor or rich or young or old, whether you have dependents or are alone, the program helps everyone, regardless of where you're at, maximize what you're doing.